Running out of space on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, today I'll show you 5 powerful ways to free up space without deleting your personal files. Let's make your PC fast and clean again. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech tip from Zia Maliky Academy. First up, storage sense. It automatically deletes junk like temporary files and recycle bin items. Go to Settings, System, Storage, toggle on Storage Sense. Click Configure to schedule cleanups. This keeps your system clutter-free with zero effort. Next, clean out temp files manually. Open Settings, System, Storage, Temporary files. Check boxes for items like Windows Update Cleanup, Recycle Bin, and temporary internet files. Click Remove File. This can save GBs instantly. Tip 3. Uninstall unused apps. Now let's talk about bloatware. Steps: go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, sort by size, remove anything you don't use. For example, it could be games, toolbars, pre-installed apps. Tip 4. Clean Microsoft cache. Did you know the Microsoft Store can eat up space? Press Windows plus R. Type WS reset and hit enter. A black CMD window opens and auto closes. That means it's done. It frees up space and may even fix store issues. Tip 5. Delete old Windows Update file. Last tip. Clear out old Windows Update files. Search for Disk Cleanup. Select your C drive. Click Clean Up System Files. Now take Windows Update Cleanup. Hit OK. It's saved and can free up several gigabytes. That's it. These 5 tips will keep your Windows 11 system lean and fast. No personal files deletion needed. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to Zia Maliky Academy for more practical tech tips. See you in the next one.